Are you tired of surprise charges on your vacation rental bill? Let's uncover the truth behind these hidden fees and services. When booking a vacation rental, the price you see upfront often isn't the price you end up paying. Let's break down the common fees you might encounter. First up, service fees. These are charges for using the booking platform. Then there are cleaning fees, which can vary widely. Security deposits are another common charge held in case of damages. Some companies also charge extra for additional guests. And don't forget taxes, they can add a hefty amount to your bill. Now let's talk about transparency. Llivo stands out by clearly listing all fees up front. No hidden costs. Their service fees are straightforward and their detailed cost breakdown includes everything, even taxes. Plus they offer flexible cancellation policies to suit different needs. But that's not all. Llivo goes beyond with unique services like a pick and drop service and hosts who offer personalized recommendations. Security is also a top priority with secure payment processing through Stripe. So next time you book, remember, not all vacation rental companies are created equal. With Llivo, what you see is what you get. No surprises, just a great stay. Discover more insights and book your next hassle-free vacation with Llivo today.